Hello friends, welcome to my iTech channel. So today in this video I'll be showing unboxing and review of a Nova trimmer which I had bought from Amazon. So today I have just received this item from Amazon, so I'll be doing the unboxing of it now. So let me open it now. So this has costed me around 400 something. So let us see how is the quality of it. Yeah. The packaging is good. Yeah, the Nova trimmer is over inside. Yeah, so this is the bill, as you can see, 401. So this is a Nova trimmer, as you can see, NHT 1070 model. So it says that it has a titanium steel blade, variable cutting length, easy to take down blade, and they have given that it has intelligent something, it is anti-slip system. So let us see what else we can see inside. Yeah, so let me open it now. Yeah, over here, just a moment, let me open it slowly. Just a moment, guys. So now I have opened the box. Let's see how it is called. Things inside. Okay, so you get come out like this. These are the accessories. Let me keep. Yeah. So you get a trimmer. Then you get an charging cable. You get some extra fittings, accessories, and this is the battery. I feel so it is 600 mAh. So okay, fine, no problem. This is the user manual, and again some pouch, another fitting tool, and this is the aftershave lotion. So and the last thing is this thing for cleaning your trimmer. So let us slip out the trimmer. Let me keep these things aside and just look out to the trimmer itself. So this is a trimmer. Yes. It has some grease in it, I can see. So it looks good. It has titanium blades, as you can see. Yeah. So the color of this is also really nice. As you can see, it's really nice. So it says Nova professional trimmers. The blades are looking very good. So let me check out if it is working or not. It has some charge on its battery. So let me put it inside. Yeah, it's working. It's really fast, as you can see. Yeah, it's really good. It is working fine. Yeah, it's good. So initial impression is it looks good. I don't know what will be after some time. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel, so that it will help me a lot in making more videos. So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.